Are your teeth making you look older? Failing to look after our teeth is a sure way to add years to your age. How can you turn back the clock now? I'm Sandra Gumansingh, and today I am asking Dr. Shawn Cabell to share his top tips to revealing a brighter and more youthful smile, because who doesn't want a smile that shines? What's the secret, you would say, overall to maintaining a youthful smile, especially as you get older?
I think that the main thing, and this probably will disappoint people hearing this, it's just to take care of your teeth, to brush your teeth. That is the number one thing that you can do.
So, okay, just a reminder of the basics. Regular brushing, check. And we all know the importance of flossing.
Floss the teeth that you want.
And regular checkups are priority too.
Even a person that says that they brush their teeth and they come to the office and maybe they've missed a few visits, or they, just happen to have more plaque or tartar than, the average person for whatever reason, they can still have problems. You don't know that you have a problem usually until it's too late. Mm-hmm. So if you can have a checkup and the dental professionals can check to see if there's decay in between your teeth or if there's more buildup and you weren't aware of it, this is really just to help you so that you can treat this before it becomes a problem.
As we age, our teeth changes. Over time, they naturally darken from food, drink, or tobacco, which are just some of the things that can give a more aged appearance.
Now with vaping, this is also not just unhealthy for your lungs, but it can be unhealthy for your teeth as well. But as you age, we have changes in your bone and you have changes in your teeth. Your jaw tends to constrict a little bit, and your teeth tend to move forward because of the remodeling of the bone. So you're going to have more crooked teeth as you get older. It doesn't matter if you have braces and you lost your retainer, or if you never had braces, or if you have your wisdom teeth out or don't have your wisdom teeth out, your teeth will move. If they don't move, you're lucky, but just remodeling a bone will cause some type of crowding a little bit.
Additionally, enamel erosion or wear on the teeth happens from acidic foods or grinding. Natural aging thins the teeth, making them look shorter and the smile less vibrant. Dr. Cabbell says there are a number of dental treatments available to rejuvenate our smiles and achieve a more youthful appearance.
So all of the things that are popular right now, the whitening, it reverses a little bit of the stains, the orthodontic treatment with aligners is very, very popular now for adults. You can spread your arch out. You can make your teeth straighter again to try to start things over. Veneers are really popular.
Now I have heard about Veneers, custom-made shells that conceal cracks, chips, stains, and other cosmetic imperfections. They are one of the most common cosmetic dentistry treatments, but I have seen videos of the process and it looks pretty uncomfortable.
Veneer treatment involves a very light reduction or shaving down of the teeth in the front, and a porcelain or some type of ceramic material, sometimes a plastic or resin material, is bonded onto the front part of your teeth. So it's usually necessary to shave down a little bit so that the teeth don't appear too bulky. And also sometimes it's necessary to shave down the teeth a little bit so that you can accommodate the veneers so that it makes the teeth look straight. Mm-hmm. So that's the whole point of it. You have a little bit of a reduction so that something else can be bonded to the front of the teeth to cover the natural teeth, mm-hmm. so that they look brand new again.
Okay, so you said shave down a little bit, but what I saw was someone with all their teeth looking like little V's coming down. Is that?
That's the shave down, yeah.
That's the shave down?
Yes.
Okay, let's get to the popular topic, teeth whitening. A recent study I researched revealed that white teeth can not only make you look 5 years younger, but increase your attractiveness.
Typically, we associate that with health and with beauty because most of the time people that are healthy and beauty do have whiter teeth. Mm-hmm. I'll give my recommendations for whitening. So most whitening treatments involve some sort of peroxide treatment. So the over-the-counter, in the office, most all of them have some basis of whether it's carbamide peroxide or hydrogen peroxide. It's a peroxide material that removes some of the stain to make your teeth look a little bit whiter. The in-office treatments are great for individuals that want to have the treatment done fast. Mm-hmm. So if you want to have your teeth 4 shades lighter in one day, and then the in-office treatment is probably the best for you. The disadvantage is that it's usually a little more expensive, and you most of the time will need to sit in the chair maybe up to an hour. So there's at-home treatments that are customized from dental molds. So this is an in-office treatment that you do at home. Has the same principle. It's the same material or the same treatment that's doing that. However, it's not as strong as the office treatment.
But what if you want something a little more affordable?
A lot of the over-the-counter treatments are good.
I was going to ask about that. Yeah.
You know, people would think like, okay, you're a dentist, you want people to come into the office to do these treatments. I really just want people to do what's best for them. You know, I don't push the in-office treatment if I feel like the person doesn't need it for any type of urgent reason and they want to save some money. But I highly recommend the Crest strips, the ones that say professional care. I use them. They work really well, and Crest makes several types of the strips. I think that they are the cheaper ones, probably because they don't have as high of a concentration of the carbon monoxide in the strips. But the ones that say Express or something like that, or that are made to work a little faster, they work really well. Now, if you have crowns or if you have veneers, then the whitening treatments usually don't do anything.
Is it a point where it could be too much at one time?
So the higher the concentration, the more sensitive your teeth will be. So the biggest issue is that you can have very extreme tooth sensitivity from using a concentration that's too high, and if you're doing that too often. Now, as far as the effect health-wise onto your teeth, it's not so much that it's going to cause decay or it's going to make your teeth break or anything like that, but you can have sensitive teeth, which is uncomfortable as well. So
yes, I've had that.
Yeah.
It's not very not comfortable. And what can you do about that?
Fluoride treatments can help with that. Discontinuing the whitening treatment is another thing that you can do with that. There are several desensitizers that we can use. We have one, Gluma, and there's a laser treatment that can help with the sensitivity as well. But again, like the best thing is just to avoid, if you feel that it's making your teeth sensitive, then discontinue it.
You mentioned fluoride, and sometimes I'm confused, like what is fluoride, what is mouthwash, what is mouth rinse, what's all these things?
So fluoride is a mineral, and it's a mineral that helps with the formation of the enamel and other substances in your teeth. So the reason why fluoride is beneficial is because it can make your teeth harder and stronger. Fluoride has the best effect on younger people. So it does prevent decay to a certain extent with adults, but it's a small benefit. So fluoride for adults, it's not such a big deal, and that's part of the reason why most adults don't have fluoride treatments most of the time. There are several mouth rinses that have not just fluoride, but have lots of other things combined with them. I recommend to most of my patients that they rinse with Listerine. I'm a believer in Listerine because it does work. It's one of the best ways that you can combine a mixture of different things that can prevent bacteria, that can add fluoride to your teeth, that can prevent gum disease and things like that. And all of the mouth rinses have different things. They have different, combinations or cocktails of what they're used for. Even within Listerine, the different colors have a different thing. The purple one has the most. It has, and some places it costs a little bit more. The purple Listerine costs more than the original one. And I have lots of patients that like the old, what is it, like a gold color Listerine?
That's the one that I know, like growing up.
Because it's like, this is the one that, my grandmother used, and, they recommended it, and if it tastes bad, it must be, effective, it must work. But the newer ones, like I said, the purple one has a little bit more in it than the others. Listerine also has They have an alcohol version and a non-alcohol version. So the alcohol kills bacteria, just like alcohol kills bacteria anywhere. But the non-alcohol version has something in it that can also kill bacteria.
And since we are on the topic of mouthwash, I had to ask about oil pulling. Oil pulling involves swishing oil around the mouth like a mouthwash. It has been used for thousands of years as an Indian folk remedy. It is said that oil pulling may reduce the harmful bacteria in your mouth. Using coconut oil for oil pulling is becoming increasingly popular, and many people swear by this remedy.
If we were going to rate, oil pulling, Listerine, chlorhexidine is a prescription mouth rinse that we prescribe. Usually, if someone's having an issue, if they have some type of gum disease, or if we really want to prevent any type of infection in their gums, then I write a prescription for chlorhexidine that helps out, and it does a really good job of preventing, of killing the bacteria and preventing the bacteria from growing. But oil pulling will kill bacteria, but if I had to give it a number on 1 to 10, it's maybe a 4. A lot of people like the oil pulling because it's natural, because it's not a chemical, it's not a drug, it's an oil. It literally is oil that, some type of flaxseed oil or something like that.
They're saying that it not only kills bacteria, but it whitens the teeth, right? So
now that I'm not so sure about. I know I've seen that as well, and I assume that the reason why that it's saying that the oil pulling will also whiten your teeth is because it maybe can remove the stain. I saw something that is a streamer, Kai Cenat, are you familiar with him? And he was promoting some oil for that, and he was saying, one of the reasons why his teeth are so white, and he does have white teeth, is because he uses the oil pulling. So if it works and you do that in combination with something else, I'm all for it.
So to summarize, what is the secret to a youthful smile?
I don't think that the secret is Veneers. I don't think that the secret is Invisalign or a certain type of whitening toothpaste or anything like that. Those things obviously can enhance and make your teeth really, really nice. But the main thing is just to make sure that you are brushing your teeth and you're keeping your teeth healthy and your gums as well.
Thanks, Dr. Cabbell.